Hello again, dear Year 3 students of Ameeriah Integrated Cluster. Welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're gonna cover the Technical English Unit 12, the third lesson, with the title Progressing, page 94 and 95. So let's start. So let's start here by looking to this picture. So I need you to tell me, who is this person? I imagine one of you may got the correct answer, and yes, this is an astronaut. So what's he doing? What do you think he's doing in the space here? Yes, he is repairing some damage on a space station. So now, after knowing who is this guy and what's he doing, let's now try to listen to an astronaut talking about his work, and let's complete this tasks or this list of tasks with the verb in this box. So the words in this box are assemble, attach, bring, connect, disconnect, dismantle, inspect, remove, repair, replace, take, test. So let's listen.
Unit 12, Recording 60. We sometimes have to make many spacewalks outside the space station just to do one simple repair job. Let me give you an example. A small piece of rock from space has hit an oxygen tank. What do? First, we must test our equipment for the spacewalks. Then, in the first spacewalk, we inspect the damage. We take photographs of the tank and the hole. After that, we go back into the space station. There, we plan the repair and prepare for the next spacewalk. In the second spacewalk, we disconnect the pipes from the tank. These pipes carry the oxygen into the space station. We remove the tank. Then we bring the tank into the space station. Back in the space station, we dismantle the tank. We repair the damage. If this isn't possible, we replace the part. Then we assemble the tank again. In the third spacewalk, we attach the tank to the side of the space station and connect the pipes to the tank.
So I hope you guys get them all. I just want to highlight that the word assemble and the word dismantle, they are opposites. So assemble means collect in parts, and dismantle means removing the parts. So check your answers here by looking to the correct answers and see how many points that you have got right and you have got wrong. So now I need you to look to these 4 verbs. We have here connect, assemble, damage, and remove. I need you to find the opposite of these words in one. So what are the opposites? What's the opposite of connect? And what's the opposite of assemble? What's the opposite of damage and remove? I'll assume you got them all. So let's see the correct answers here. Connect, the opposite of connect is disconnect. Assemble, like I said earlier, the opposite of assemble is dismantle. Damage, repair, remove, replace. So this is the listening part. This is a listening about a controller that's talking to an astronaut. The controller is speaking from the control system on Earth, but the astronaut is on a space station. So listen carefully and try to answer the questions here from 1 to 7.
Unit 12, Recording 61. Okay, today is the 6th of June, 7 p.m. in the evening. I'm checking progress on the space station. Have you done the first spacewalk yet?
Yes, we have.
Good. When did you do it?
We did the spacewalk yesterday, on the 5th of June.
Right. And have you repaired the oxygen tank yet?
No, we haven't repaired it yet. We're still repairing it.
When will you finish it?
We'll complete the job tomorrow morning.
Feel free to listen again to the audio if you felt that you...
Pearson Education Limited 2008.
Okay. So feel free to repeat the audio again if you thought that you need to listen it again. These are the answers. Have you noticed that in the listening part that we can use yet with some questions and negatives in the present perfect? And it will mean up till now. So for example, we said we haven't repaired the oxygen yet, or the oxygen tank yet. And in A, in the question here, have you repaired the oxygen tank yet? You can answer with no, no, not yet. So in number 1, this is a negative answer. And in 2, this is a question using the present perfect, which is have or has plus the verb in the past participle. And it will mean up till now. Now, I'll give you a task. I need you to look to these tasks. And for each one, I need you to try to form a question for each point and give a negative answer also. So I will give you an example. For number 1, dismantle old water system. Dismantle old water system. So how can I give a question here using the present perfect? I'll say, have you dismantled old water system yet? And we'll answer with no. No, I haven't dismantled old water system yet. So for each point, give a question using yet, and give also a negative answer using yet. And that's gonna be the end of our video. See you inshallah next week with another new video.